Hello everyone, welcome to MK Graphics channel. Have you ever faced the frustration of designing YouTube banners with free templates from web platforms only to find that they don't quite align with the aesthetic of your YouTube channel? In today's video, I will show you an easy way to make awesome YouTube banners for free using a PowerPoint template. It's a quick tutorial and you can grab the template download link from the description. With this template, you can create a cool and professional looking banners in no time, just like the one I made. So let's get started. First thing first, download the PowerPoint template. The link is in the description. When you open it, you will find a page with information about 3 graphic sizes for different devices like desktop, mobile, tablets and TVs. Because lots of people watch YouTube on TVs now, it's essential to design your banner with the right sizes. Make sure your graphics at least 2560 by 1440 pixels for TV. For tablets, the visible area is 1855 and 423 pixels. And for desktop, the minimum coverage is 2560 by 423 pixels. The crucial area where most viewers focus is 1546 423 pixels, visible on both desktops and mobile devices. The key to design perfect banner is place your all important stuff like text, logos, images in this space. For better result, keep your content in the middle of the area. Now you have a perfect dimensions for YouTube banner and you know which area is more important to add all the information, text, logo and images. You can use these dimensions and design your YouTube banner in other softwares too, but for now I'm showing you how to design using this template. To design your YouTube banner using this template, go to the second page where you will find 3 picture placeholders, one for the background image, the second for the logo and third for an additional image if desired. For the background image, click on the picture placeholder, go to insert, picture from file. I have this yellow background image, select your image and place it. Then right click on the image and send it to the back. As you do this, you will see place for a logo and there's a dummy text that appears. Note that there's a placeholder text that you can customize. Ensure the text size is between 40 to 48 points. So like I'm writing here, Mina's flower decor. And I adjust his size to around like 44 to 48 points. Although it may seem small here, but it will look fine on YouTube. Another tip, if your logo or image is square or horizontal, adjust the height and I recommend not to increase the height more than this circle. You can increase the width but do not increase the height. Now if you want to add a color background instead of image, you can also add that. Like go to insert, click on shapes and create a rectangle. And fill it with your chosen color and according to that change your text color. And when your designing is all done, you can select pressing Shift key all the design elements, right click and save as a picture. Like I'm saving here YouTube, YTBG, YouTube background and it saved as a PNG. I save it on a desktop. And that's it. You will notice all your graphic and all the elements and text saved as a PNG. Looks good. And that's it. You can see I created 2 more designs using this template. If you found this video helpful and if you gain value from it, please consider subscribing. This way you won't miss any weekly tutorials and free design templates for quicker and better designing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.